Imagine a planet larger than Jupiter, drifting through the black void of interstellar space, completely alone. No star to orbit, no sunrise, no seasons, just an endless frozen voyage through eternal night. These are rogue planets, worlds violently ejected from their home systems by gravitational chaos. A passing star, a planetary collision, or the slow unraveling of a solar system can send them spiraling into the abyss. Now imagine Earth becomes one of them. The sun swells into a red giant, destabilizing the delicate balance of our solar system, and our planet is flung outward, cut off from all light, drifting into darkness. No photosynthesis, no heat from the sun, the oceans freeze, the atmosphere collapses. Life, if it survives at all, retreats underground. And yet not all rogue planets are entirely dead. Some may have subsurface oceans, heated by the slow decay of radioactive elements. Others might generate faint warmth from tidal forces or internal pressure. We can't see them with our eyes. They emit no light. The only clue to their presence may be a whisper of heat, a faint glow in the infrared moving silently across the stars. A teaspoon of a magnetar weighs more than Mount Everest. Its magnetic field is so strong, it can bend atoms into spaghetti. In 2004, one 50,000 light-years away released a flare, so powerful it briefly became the brightest object in our sky, second only to the sun. Earth's atmosphere was hit by gamma rays, satellites flickered. If it had been 10 times closer, the surface of Earth would have been sterilized. Magnetars may even explain fast radio bursts, mysterious signals detected from deep space. Quasars look like stars, but are powered by supermassive black holes, and they are the most violent light sources in the known universe. Their jets can stretch across millions of light-years. The energy output, equivalent to 10 trillion suns. If a quasar beam hit Earth from just 100 light-years away, our atmosphere would be vaporized in seconds. The most distant known quasar is seen as it was just 670 million years after the Big Bang. A black hole warps space and time like a whirlpool in a river, twisting the very fabric of reality. You'd never see it coming. No light escapes. No signal gets out. From a distance, it's invisible until it's too late. There's one called TON 618, a true cosmic leviathan. It's estimated to be 66 billion times the mass of our sun. Its event horizon is so vast, it could swallow our entire solar system, and you'd never even hear a sound. But not all black holes sit quietly in galactic centers. Some roam. One rogue black hole is hurtling through space right now at over 3 million miles per hour, a silent, unstoppable wrecking ball. If it passed near our solar system, it wouldn't collide, it would pull. It would shred planets from their orbits, devour the sun's light and vanish, leaving behind only darkness and questions. Right now, trillions of dark matter particles are passing through your body, and we have no way to stop it. We only know dark matter exists because galaxies spin too fast to stay together otherwise. Something massive and invisible is holding them together. Dark matter might interact through a hidden dark force. Could it form stars or civilizations? What if it's watching us, but from behind a veil we can't pierce? 330 million light-years wide, with almost nothing in it. Astronomers call it the Boötes Void, or more chillingly, the Great Nothing. No galaxies, no stars, just a vast, gaping emptiness in the cosmos. It's so large and so empty, it shouldn't exist, and yet it does. Some physicists wonder, could this be natural, or is it the result of something else? Something vast and deliberate. What if something is harvesting matter on a galactic scale? Or worse, what if something is removing it entirely, erasing the evidence of its presence? Not to be seen, not to be found, just silence. The Milky Way is already merging with smaller galaxies, a slow, silent dance of destruction. But in about 4 billion years, something far greater will happen. A full collision with the Andromeda Galaxy. 2 colossal star systems, each with hundreds of billions of stars, will crash into one another. Gravity will stretch and tear stars from their orbits. Entire solar systems will be flung into deep space. At the center of each galaxy, supermassive black holes will spiral inward, eventually colliding in a violent merger that will send gravitational shockwaves rippling across the universe. Our sun might survive the chaos, but Earth, it could be cast out, flung into the void between galaxies. No warmth, no light, just a frozen rock, drifting alone in eternal night, a silent casualty of cosmic evolution. Imagine everything you know, atoms, forces, even time itself, being wrong. Some physicists believe that our universe isn't in its true, stable form. Instead, it might exist in a false vacuum, a fragile, temporary state. If that's true, then one day, without warning, a tiny point in space could shift into a more stable form of reality. And from that point, a bubble of true physics would begin to expand. It would move at the speed of light, rewriting everything in its path. No warning, no way to detect it coming, no time to react. Inside the bubble, the laws of nature could be completely different. Atoms might not form, stars wouldn't ignite, life as we know it would simply stop. Most terrifying of all, this collapse could have already started, somewhere far away, and be racing toward us right now. In 2015, astronomers observed something strange. A star known as KIC 8462852, or more famously, Tabby's star. Unlike any normal star, it flickered in irregular, dramatic patterns, dimming by as much as 20% without warning. Planets couldn't explain it, dust couldn't explain it. Some scientists proposed a bold possibility. What if it was surrounded by a Dyson sphere, a vast megastructure built by an advanced civilization to capture energy from their star? The idea caught fire, not because it was proven, but because everything else made even less sense. Years later, the debate continues. Natural explanations have been suggested, but none fully fit. And if one star behaves like this, how many more are out there, waiting to be noticed? The truth is, we still don't know what's causing it, and that uncertainty, that's what makes it so unsettling. These monsters are distant, but what if just one wasn't? A silent object, massive, invisible to light, a rogue black hole, maybe closer than we think. If this shook you, wait until you see what scientists think is at the edge of the universe, a boundary that shouldn't exist, and maybe hiding something unimaginable. Subscribe and turn on notifications for part 2. You do not want to miss it.